Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to change username on CoinEx. To change your username on your CoinEx account is super easy. Launch open the CoinEx application and make sure that you're inside the home page logged in. And once you are, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. In the expanded menu, click on your username at the top. This will open up the basic info page where you need to tap on your nickname option and then enter a new nickname or your username for yourself. And after you are done, click on confirm at the bottom. Soon after you do that, you will be able to change your username or your nickname on your CoinEx account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss out on another update from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.